Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to do the bridge. Okay, so first, make sure you warm up either by running, jumping or anything you want. Okay, and then we're going to start stretching. So first, what I like to do is to go on all fours and bring down my chest. So it will crack. So this will be the middle part. This crack. Okay, now we're going to bring down our arms to the floor and do a nice stretch. Now that's done, we're going to crawl forward and stretch our lower back in the cobra position. Try to lean your chest back and bring your shoulders rolled back, just like that. And if you can, try and close your legs a little more, but if you find it difficult, you can open your legs a little more so that it's easier for you to stretch back. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to do one hand catch. So basically, try and take your right hand and grab the left ankle and hold it there. If you're feeling a bit more advanced, you can try and straighten it. On the other side. Alright, now punch forward into child pose, take a little break. Alright, now we're ready to start with the bridge from the floor. Okay, so basically sit down and put your feet shoulder width apart and then put your hands behind with your palms facing the back and your fingers pointing down. And bring your elbows as close as possible and bring your hands as close as possible to your ears. Just like this. And now, lean backwards. Okay, now what you want to do is to put your hands right beside your ears and bring your feet closer to your bum, like so that you'll be able to push off your bum, which is actually the highest center of gravity. So you need to push it off the ground. And if it helps, you can also open your legs a little wider. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, we're going to try our best to push up. If you're afraid, you can put cushions around. Okay, so push up, ha. And we're going to hold for a little while. And we're going to go back down. Very nice. I'm sure you were able to do it. If not, you could practice a few more times. So remember, feet closer to your bum, hands closer to your ears, and remember to push your arms straight. And try your best to look up, because if you look down, you'll feel like falling. Let's try one more time, okay? So, feet about shoulder width apart, moving closer to your bum. Palms facing down, fingers facing your feet. And push your butt up and keep your center of gravity in the middle. Let's go. Okay, head. Don't look up straight, don't look up there. Look down onto the floor, in between your fingers. Great! Alright, now let's try the standing one. So what you want to do is to find a wall and crawl down the wall. So you can put mattresses beside if you're afraid of falling. So first open your legs shoulder width apart, arms up. Remember to keep your legs straight so that you won't fall. Okay, so go all the way back. So first, think of tilting your hip back and slow. Okay, when you feel confident, find a space and remember shoulder widths apart, knees press straight, arms also straight, and head try and look up. Okay, so first you're going to lean back your head, then your chest, then your lower back, and remember butt push forward, because what people tend to do is they tend to stick out their butt and they can't find the floor ever. So remember, tighten your butt, push it forward. Okay, because when you push it forward, your weight needs to be focused on putting it on your heels so that you won't immediately tumble back or immediately tumble forward. Okay, so first put your weight on your heels, slowly put your weight backwards to the middle so that you can do your bridge. Okay? So first part, arms straight, and let's go. So hit it slowly, make sure your feet are firmly planted to the floor and you don't fall backwards. So push your butt forward, remember, push your butt forward. Push, push, and look for the floor. Push, arms straight, knees straight. Let's go. And whoa, that was a bit wobbly. Let's try that one more time. So we're gonna go all the way down and move our weight from our middle to our feet. There. Okay? Practice lots and I hope you get your bridge. Thank you.